You put it in, right? No flour. Add it and gentle, and you want to make sure everything gets blue. And then what I do, sorry, take this out first. We need the heat, but it comes in this part. You have to stir quite fast. You hear the sound like that means getting too dry. So you mix, right? Maybe like that. Put it in gentle first, and then you go gentle and gentle, okay? And you see very glassy here. For our team, to make the best sticky rice with mango, you see I mix the rice with the milk during the rice hot. That's a tips of making good sticky rice with mango. The rice must be hot before mixing with the milk and sugar. So better taste, better texture. And also the key is it will be glassy, the color even brighter. That's good. We need to make it thicker than this because when it's cooled down, it gets thicker. Okay, this is the milk that our friend made, the sauce, after we cook the rice. You see how thick? See the consistency? We don't need to make even thicker for the rice flour in there because when it's cooled down, it gets thicker. We have rice, we have salt, more blue. Make it I think we're adding all of this.
Yeah, so
Keep adding a little more. If you don't know that from the flour, you wouldn't dare to eat that as well. It's scary.
Wake all night. Wake all night.
The leaf